Let me show you this outdoor units. This is used the Copeland compressor, 6 HP. And this outdoor units, I can show you how it goes, the gas inside it. This is the discharge gas, discharge line, and even it comes with the, you know, this one with the quiet sounds. If you need it very quiet, this reduce the noise. And it goes like this, just to give you idea. So this is the discharge line, and it goes up to the condenser, and this is the condenser here, and after that it goes to the liquid receiver. This is the liquid receiver here, and down it goes to the filter, then it goes again to the side glass, and then to the sonolite is here, and goes to out. For when it come back from these lines. This is section line here. And can you tell me what is this here? What's this line here? This line here is like what makes this compressor special. This type is, just show you if you can see it, ZSI. ZSI, it's used for low temperature cold rooms. So when this compressor get very hot, or when they get like very high pressure, this one try to reduce the hot inside it. So yeah, this is overall units, just to give you idea. Here we go, and this is the reduce the noise here, we can see. And this is outdoor units, is the same as if you put the air conditioner. Here we go. Wow, you can even play music on it. And there is high pressure, low pressure here.